Before you put the oil pan on, you're going to want to trim the gaskets that are sticking up above the surface of the block. Just regular, just a nice sharp blade, box cutter in this case, and you just trim them down flush to the surface of the block. Gasket lined up with all the holes, so you're ready for your oil pan. Play on now. Get the key in place. We're ready now to set the valves on this. I've marked the pulley at the front. We're top dead center on number 1 cylinder. We'll set it first. Initial setting for these is 20 thousandths cold. It's just kind of the initial setting. Once you get the engine warmed up, run everything, make sure that everything is worked into place where it is going to totally sit. We'll set them again when they're warm. You want to just feel a light drag on the feeler gauge, and then you lock the lock nut. And move on to the next valve. Okay. Now I've marked the pulley at the front of the engine here for top dead center number 1. 180 degrees puts us to the next cylinder in line, which would be number 3 in this case. The firing order is 1342. Man, we got good compression. There we go. And that will have number 3 cylinder ready. Some manuals tell you can, like at top dead center number 1, you can do, you can do cylinder number 1 all, and then whichever of the rest of the valves, and then you turn to top dead center number 4. The service manual for this particular engine calls for doing it this way, which is actually, I kind of prefer it this way anyway. That way you know you're getting each valve set 100% correct.